How to run Instagram ads. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile and tap on any of the posts that you want to automate. Tap on Boost Post. Now what you need to do here is you want to tap on the way how you can boost. You want to boost with Facebook or without Facebook. After that, tap on Continue. Now you want to go ahead and select your goals. If you want more profile visit, website visit, or more messages, you want to select any of them and then tap on Next. Now you want to define your audience. I just want to tap on Automatic and then tap on Next. So now, then you want to go ahead and select your budget. After that, you can select this duration and then tap on Next. After you're done, you want to go ahead and tap on Payment Method and then tap on Boost Post. After that, you'll have to enter your credit card details and you'll be able to boost your post. So I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.